One of the best ways to increase your overall fat loss is by finding ways to incorporate cardiovascular training into your day-to-day life. For example, I'm out for a hike. It's a beautiful sunny day, a little bit warm here in Canada, so I'm making the most of it. Doing it as somewhat of a peacefulness thing, more so than trying to burn some calories, but the extra movement always counts. My tip to you is to make use of the nice days outside and get out and get moving.